There is a different kind of boating life in Canada. Wilder, stronger, more real. Out here, the water is not just scenery. It is part of how people travel, explore, fish, work, and live. From quiet rivers at dawn to wide northern lakes under open skies, Canadian waters ask more from a boat. More confidence, more durability, more control. That is where Seastorm stands apart. Built for real use, built for real conditions, built for people who want reliability without compromise. For early mornings, for long days, for fishing trips that begin in silence and end with a story worth telling. And not just for one kind of boater, for families, for explorers, for waterfront living, for lodge operators, for marinas, for outfitters, and for people who simply want a better way to be on the water. Known as the world's strongest boat, Seastorm is built for ultimate durability and performance. Not fiberglass, not aluminum. Crafted with advanced technology, high-density polyethylene. Built to absorb impact, not crack under pressure. That's what makes Seastorm different. It is made for those who want a boat that feels as tough as the environments it is used in. A boat that looks right in Canada because it belongs in Canada. For dealers and distributors, this is a chance to represent a product with real market fit. Seastorm Canada has arrived. Dealership opportunities are now available. Join us and bring Seastorm to Canadian waters.